Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 introduction to US staffing and recruitment industry. Today I will explore what US staffing is, why recruiters work night shift and what life looks like as a US IT recruiter. So first is, what is staffing? Let's start from the basic. Staffing simply means helping companies find the right people for their jobs. For example, imagine Microsoft USA needs a Java developer. Now, instead of spending time searching for candidates themselves, they contact a staffing company, and that's where you, the recruiter, comes in. Your job is to find that perfect candidate who fits the job description. Next is, what is US staffing? So, what exactly is US staffing? It means hiring people for US based companies, but the recruiters are often working from India or other countries. You will mostly work on US time zones, that means night shift in India, and you will focus mainly on IT roles like Java developer, QA engineer, or business analysis. Your main tools, job portals like Dice, Monster, and LinkedIn. You will search, screen, and submit candidates all remotely. Next is, why do US companies need staffing firms? Now, you might ask, why would a US company need us? Here is why: to save time and cost, to get access to global recruiters 24/7, to fill urgent project roles faster. Let's take an example. Wells Fargo, a US bank, needs 5 testers for a 3-month project. Instead of hiring directly, they reach out to a staffing firm, and that firm gives the requirement to recruiters like you, right? Next is type of recruitment model. There are 3 main hiring models you will deal with: contract staffing, temporary work, example 6-month project; contract to hire, candidate works on contract that may be hired full time; permanent hire, directly hired by client, full-time employee. Simple, right? Next is US work authorization type. Now, this part is very important. US work authorization. Not everyone can legally work in the US, so recruiters must know visa types and US tax term. Here are some common ones: W2, work as an employee under the company; 1099, self-employed contractor; C2C, works through another company; OPT CPT, student with temporary work permits; H1B, company-sponsored work visa; GC, green card holder, permanent resident. You will often hear these terms while talking to candidates. Next is US time zone. Remember, the US has 4 time zones: EST like New York, CST like Texas, MST like Colorado, and PST like California. That's why Indian recruiters usually work in night shift. For example, when it's 7 p.m. in India, it's 8:30 a.m. in New York. That's when US office open. Next is a day in the life of a recruiter. Now let's talk about what your day looks like as a recruiter. You will follow this 6-step cycle: receive job requirement from client or manager, search profiles on Dice, Monster, or LinkedIn, call and screen candidates, submit the best one to the client, schedule interviews, handle offer and joining. Simple workflow, but every step needs attention to detail and great communication. Next is tools you will use. As a recruiter, your tools are your best friend. Here are few you will use daily: job portal, Dice, Monster, Career Builder, Indeed; ATS, Bullhorn, JobRiva, Zoho Recruit; communication tools, Outlook, RingCentral, Skype; networking, LinkedIn. Example, you find a resume on Dice, call the candidate and submit the profile via Bullhorn. Easy flow. Next is example job description. Let's look at a quick job description example. Role, Java developer; location, Dallas, Texas; skill, Java, Spring Boot, AWS; experience 7+ years; type 6-month cop-to-cop contract. As a recruiter, your first task is to identify keywords: Java, Spring Boot, AWS, in Dallas, and 6 months. These keywords help you search the right candidates online. Next is industry terms you should know. There are some important terms you will use daily: requirement, job opening; submittal, when you send a resume to the client; interview, when clients talk to candidate; placement, when candidates join the job; Bill rate and pay rate. Example, client pays $70 per hour, candidates get $60 per hour, company keeps $10 per hour margin, right? Next is ethics and best practice. Always remember, ethics are everything in the recruitment. Never share a resume without candidate's permission. Always verify work authorization. Be honest, don't modify resume. Stay professional in communication. Remember, one unethical action can spoil your company's reputation. Next is quick recap. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. What is US staffing? Why companies use staffing firms? Hiring models, visa types, recruiters' daily workflow, tools and compliance basics. That's a lot for day one, but don't worry, it will get easier once you start practicing. So that's the foundation of US staffing. In the next video, we will dive into how to read job description and understand client requirements. That's day 2 for our training series. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends who want to start their career in recruitment. And do not forget to subscribe for day 2. Remember, every great job starts with a great recruiters. See you in the next session. Thank you.